I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's Daily Review. Today is June 29, Thursday, 2023. So today, bottom left, we have this daily candle, big bullish candle. First came down, retraced, and then shot up right to where our higher time frame objective would be, right to this daily imbalance that we've had here marked for since last week, I believe, and making higher highs, higher lows, and that's your intention, is to make higher highs, higher lows all the way through. Big picture would be here. This top side, obviously, I don't think will be done. I think it has, well, I mean, it can be and come down, but I believe that it'll come more to the center of it. Closing it up, I don't know, but that would be obviously the best ideal final target up here, would be that. So let's go into a smaller time frame, and you'll see here, if we're on the 1 hour chart, we open up here, right? Up top left. London brings it down, engineers liquidity, Asian engineers liquidity. Price shoots up at 8:30. Now we're over here. Look here, this little fake move up. That would be this wick here, and that would be on the 15-minute down here, this up here. And I saw this slide. It's the 8:30 news, and I'm sitting here like, sell it, because I know they want to make, this is a new higher high right here, and we want to make a higher low, right, which would be down here. And where would that preferably be? Well, underneath London's lows. So, but it was happening fast, and I saw, and I swear I wanted to push it, and I didn't. And you know, I was trying to buy today anyway, but so I missed it. But beautiful confirmation right back into there. Sell down all the way to here. Came right into over here. You could see a 1 hour block here. On the 4 hour, you can see it come right into that block right there. See that block right there? This is yesterday. All right, beautiful, right? So I took the buy here, and I took the buy, and I don't know what possessed me to close this here, which I do know why. I thought that this would act as resistance first for some reason, and then kind of come back down for a second, and lost completely sight of my fucking daily imbalance that I wanted to target. And I just thought that it would first come down from here. You know, I was trying to get out and capture a move down, which was foolish, because really I just should have just been patient and waited. Then price came up here, and this was a new higher high. So I was in sync here, and then took this sell. So I caught this from here to here, and then from here to here, and I was pretty much done with the day. And then again, losing sight of my target that I should be holding for, and really should have just bought here, and I did not. So look where the price went, to the point. I mean, you know, it's like fucking literally right there at it. So was kind of pissed off about that, man, but I'm still trying to get back in the groove of trading, because I'm sick, and it's like I just get tired really quick. And then especially doing this live for people, I'm noticing that I'm not trading well doing live trading, and anyone, it's very hard for anyone to trade live. That's why no one really does it. But I'm getting better at it. When I was trading without being live, I was like super more on point and focused. But now that I'm trading live, it's just, it sucks. It's not easy. It's not an excuse, but I guess for now it'll be an excuse. But I'll definitely get better at it, and you know, and that's just my journey. So I'm not afraid of it though. So, but anyways, yeah, price sank down here, came back above, used this resistance as support, which that's why I got it dragged out. And then we had the same scenario here. This inversion resistance block turned into support, and then same goes for here, held as support. Boom, final target. Then okay, so you got your higher high, higher low, right? This between here, it's almost to a 50, but look where it stops. It stops on that blue line. That blue line is actually my weak open resistance block. Oh, I'm sorry, supply block. This last up weak candle. So that's confluence. As soon as it tapped it, I should have known better to just really get out. And realize what I'm actually doing, you know, because you get lost in price, and I'm not afraid to admit it. But I'm still going to strive for greatness, but higher high, higher low. Look at this over here. Look how this looks like. If I try to zoom this out, let me see if I can make this the window. So look at here. Very simple. If I keep it simple, this right here is a displacement, and I should have talked about it in the previous videos, but we got to break a structure, but it's not a small break. It's constantly bullish candles. This is your displacement, your retracement, higher high, higher low. So when I was trying to catch these buys, Dow fucked me over and I couldn't get it, so I left it alone. But this was the higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. So where's your next higher high? Well, look at this. From this here swing, forget this high and this pullback. From here to here is the fucking leg, the higher high. So once that happens, where's your higher low? Right here. Again, underneath. You would, okay, well, Roland, what about this? Well, it's because this is liquidity and this is internal structure, and I don't want to trade off internal structure. I'd rather trade, you know, knowing the flow, I understand that it would come and take these lows out and then get into a lower area of a demand block, right? So, boom, right to it. That's what made me take the buy. That's why I was on the right side here. But for some odd reason, when the price came up here, I think it's because of people are watching. I want to show them the example of, hey, take the profit. Here you go. You know, it's like, here's this trade idea, right? And again, I said I still need to work on that. But again, higher high, higher low. Fucking higher high, higher low. Bounces right off that week, right into the imbalance, almost 50%. Plenty of reasons to buy here to take it to your target right here. I just really didn't think this would happen all today. To be honest with you, I just didn't think that was the case. I think that's another issue that I had mentally. So I just kind of wanted to take a couple trades and be done, you know. But sure enough, they held it right to my right to it, man. So yeah, I mean, I could show you the trade, but I really don't care. But yeah, that's where we left off. So now, what's going to go on? Well, I mean, at the same time, this is not done. This area is not done. Generally, it's not done. So you built liquidity here, you got liquidity here, you got some up here, and then 50% of this range here. If I switch this to regular trading hours, you'll see that we also have a lot of gap right here. So it's possible that they come up. Here's would be like a minimum target in general, or right here. Somewhere in this vicinity here. Does it come all the way up? I mean, shit, it should, or I would like it to, but it doesn't have to. So what we could get a big retracement. So when tomorrow starts, right? And I don't know if there's news tomorrow. I'm not sure, but before we get up here, I think Asia and London will get here already when we open up. But if not, then I'm expecting a retrace back down to take out this low right here. See this low right here? I doubt here. I doubt getting into here. but somewhere in this range right here, this would be my first target retracing, and then to come back up here. You know, this is not out of the picture either, but I would like to say somewhere in this vicinity, and then or if it doesn't take this out, then just right above it, right? And then that would be the buy to come back in here. If Asia and London don't already kind of swing it up. If Asia and London kind of swings it up first, then they'll look for that high, and then they'll retrace, make the fake move for the day, and then like the rest of the day will just buy up, and it'll just be, because tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. So if that's the case, I'm expecting it to buy for the rest of the day. I don't think Friday is going to be a day where it comes down and sinks for all this, because right now this is a massive massive pool right here, so of liquidity, which we're coming for, guaranteed. We're coming for it, no question. Just I don't know if, you know, how far they come in here, but I'm expecting it to come in here about the 50% level, maybe get some of these guys here, and then we're coming down for all this shit. So all right, hope this helps. And then as far as dollar ended up being bullish from that block that I mentioned, held and kept going. So when 8:30 news came, dollar shot the hell up. That's when we shot down. And then when we got here, we pretty much we retraced in dollar about 50% is where I thought, and then that's when we bought. But manipulative all in here. So, but that was pretty much the day. And as far as all the assets goes, Nas had some trouble. It didn't have to have trouble. If this was my main pair trading every day, it'd be different. I would have tried to catch this buy right here, or even probably this sell. Who knows? But they got beat up for sure. Dow ES was not as clean, not as easy, but it's still pan similar. But Dow was surprisingly very clean and very easy today. So. But this is where we're at, and I don't think the top side's done, guaranteed. I really believe that we got much potential up here. So, and yeah, I hope this helps you guys. Take care, and God bless.